Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to the online class of Bowden Model School. I welcome you all to the science class. In the previous class, we have been doing the question answer from the exercise of chapter number 1. So, today also we will be doing the same thing. We will be discussing and writing the question answer from the exercise of chapter 1. Okay. So, let us start here. This is your chapter number 1. No, what is the chapter I have written here? Chapter number 1, food and digestion. Okay, food and digestion. Okay, so we are doing the exercise. So, I will write the exercise here. Okay. In the previous class, we have discussed from page number 9. All of you will open page number 9 in your science book. You must have your science book as well as your science copy, because we are doing the question answer. So, we have to write down the question answer in the science copy. Okay, we have done number A, we have done in the previous class. We have done number A, tick the correct answer. We have done fill in the blanks, and we have done from very short answer question. See, very short answer question number 1 and 2 we have done. So, today we will be starting from page number 10. That is also the exercise. We will be starting from question number 3 onwards, from section C. So, I will write here page number 10. I will write, all of you will write, please, all of you will be writing page number 10. Okay, all of you will writing page number 10 there. And the question, so we are doing very short answer question. Okay, we have done question number 1 and 2. I think we have done question number 1 and 2. We have done question number 1 and 2 we have done in the previous day. Let me tell you one thing, the question once again. I will repeat the answer of 1 and 2. Just verbally I am telling you. See here, number 1 is name any one method of food preservation. We have done that one. One method of food preservation is refrigeration. Other options are also there. You can write drying, you can write pickling, you can write bottling, anything. Okay, next one, which organ produces bile? Which organ produces bile? We have written that one, liver produces bile. So, today we will start from question number 3. Okay. All of you will now switch off your front camera. Everybody will switch off the front camera and mute your own microphone. Okay, number 3, name a mineral that helps in the formation of blood in our body. So, question number 3, name a mineral that helps in the formation of blood in our body. Everybody will write the question. Everybody must write the question as well as the answer, both. So a mineral that helps in the formation of blood in our body. So what is the answer? Yes, it is iron. So you will write the answer in this way. A mineral that helps in the formation of blood in our body is a mineral that helps in the formation of blood in our body is iron. You will underline iron, I-R-O-N, I-R-O-N, you will underline iron. Okay? Okay, now we will be going to question number 2. Name 4 food items rich in carbohydrates. Question number 4. Name 4 food items rich in carbohydrates. Name 4 food items rich in carbohydrates. Name 4 food items rich in carbohydrates. Okay, now the answer. You will write the answer. 4 food items, 4 food items rich in carbohydrates are rice, potato, bread and honey. Okay, so 4 food items rich in carbohydrates are rice, potato, bread and honey. You will underline rice, potato, bread and honey, you will underline. So we have completed 4. Okay. Now I think all of you have completed number 3. So I will rub number 3 now. We will write question number 5. Okay. Now question number 5. Name any 2 junk foods. Okay. So we are doing section C, very short answer question. Today we have done question number 3. Name a mineral that helps in the formation of blood in our body. That is your iron. Number 4, name 4 food items rich in carbohydrates. We have done that one. 4 food items rich in carbohydrates are rice, potato, bread and honey. Now number 5, name any 2 junk foods. Okay. Question number 5 now. Name any 2 junk foods. Okay. Answer. Answer you will write 2 junk foods are two junk foods are pizza and chips. You will underline both the word pizza and chips, you will underline. Okay, other options you can also write. You can write pizza and cake, you can write burger and pizza. Okay, so we have completed this section C, very short answer question. I will discuss once again this one, then we will be doing short answer question today also. Short answer question number 1 we will do today. Okay, so from section C, the questions were today we have done. Question number 3, name a mineral that helps in the formation of blood in our body. A mineral that helps in the formation of blood in our body is iron. Next, name 4 food items rich in carbohydrate. 4 food items rich in carbohydrates are rice, potato, bread and honey. Number 5, name any 2 junk foods. 2 junk foods are pizza and chips. Okay, these have been written on the board. I think all of you have completed. I will rub here question number 4, because now we will be doing section D, short answer question. Okay. Now all of you write down section D now. Short answer question. Okay. Question number 1. We will do question number 1 now. Question number 1 is, what is roughage? All of you will please refer page number 10. You will look at page number 10 in your science book. You write down the question, what is roughage? Question is, what is roughage? Okay. Answer. You write the answer. Yes. All of you are writing the correct answer. I think all of you know this one. Very easy. Roughage. You will underline the word roughage. You will underline the word roughage. Roughage is the fiber. Roughage is the fiber present in the food items. Roughage is the fiber present in the food items. Food items that we get from plants. Okay, so roughage is the fiber present in the food items that we get from plants. One more line you will add here. Example you will write salad. After full stop you will write salad gives us a lot of roughage. Gives us a lot of roughage. Salad gives us a lot of roughage. Okay, so today up to this much, means today we have done up to question number 1 from the short answer question. Okay, see here. What is roughage? We have done. Roughage is the fiber present in the food items that we get from plants. Salad gives us a lot of roughage. Okay? I think all of you have got the answer there, and you have written also. Okay? So, thank you everyone for the class. See you in the next day, where we will be doing the other question answer from the section D, short answer question. We will be doing that one. Means we will be starting from question number 2 onwards, from the exercise of chapter 1. Okay? Okay.